Hi everyone, this is Aga from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and I'm here with another fun unboxing video for you today. But before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of the channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our fun content. It's time for our mid-month LITE Collection unboxing, and I'm here with the Pearlessence Beads collection, which I imagine is a collection that a lot of you have been waiting for. So this is for our pearl and mother of pearl lovers. Let's see what's inside. In case you're new here, Eureka collections are carefully curated bead assortments created around the theme or color palette designed for beaders of all levels. We launch our regular collections monthly on the first Thursday of the month and our smaller LITE collections on a Monday around the middle of the month. Alright, so here is the collection. Let me tidy it all up and then we'll discuss each of the products individually. So as you can see by this inspiration picture, this collection is all about pearls, hence the name Pearlessence. This is such a beautiful image and so inspiring in itself. So it's not really about the palette, it's more of the finish and about the beauty that pearls bring. As always, with the collection, you get this very useful piece of paper. Here you have the inspirational paragraphs. You can pause to read. It just describes how pearls are really timeless. They can be classy or modern, and you can use them with everything, basically. And inside here, you get the name of the collection, Pearlessence Collection LITE. You get a list of all of the supplies in the collection. We have 19 components in total. And if you like any of these products that you find in the collection, all of them are numbered on their packaging. You can just look it up on the list, find out what it is, what color it is, what size, how many you get, and you can enter the SKU number at EurekaCrystalBeads.com to find more of whichever product you like. Alright, let's dive in with the seed beads. And this month we're really all about seed beads apparently, because you get 6 full tubes of seed beads, starting with 4 tubes of Miyuki beads. So you get a 15 in Ivory Pearl Ceylon. So the pearl theme is already in the first product. Very pretty. Then you get a metallic that, in my opinion, is so beautiful with pearls. So this is Durco Galvanized Pewter 11 seed beads, and this is such a lovely shade of warm silver. It kind of looks already tarnished, but in such a classy way. Perfect for pearly finishes. Then you get a lovely mix of also 11s, and this is called the Granite Mix. So if you needed more of those 11s, more colors, more variety, you get some dark ones here, some light ones as well, some transparent ones, so that's very useful. And then you get your Delica bead, and these are going to work so well as like juxtaposition and contrast for all the lighter colors. This is matte metallic silver gray, and this is really a very pretty shade, and the fact that it's matte, it's going to ground all of those pearly shiny finishes as well. Then you get 2 tubes of Toho beads. You get a tube of 8 O's, and these are opaque rainbow white, and the rainbow finish gives them also a little bit of a pearly shine, don't you think? And then you get another 8O, but these are demi-round, so they're kind of like round beads, but halved. So they're kind of cut in half. They're very useful as spacer beads and to create some extra texture. And they are in crystal snow lined. So they're transparent and have this white lining along the hole. The next section is, as always, Czech glass beads, and this has got to be the shortest section ever when it comes to Eureka collections. But again, this collection is not about the Czech glass, it's all about pearls. So you get one very functional Czech bead, a full tube of mini duos, and they are in such a beautiful color. This is called Nebula Jet, and they have this coating that is kind of iridescent, and it reminded me of black pearl, like the natural black pearls that you get. And just like that, we've arrived at crystals, and let's start with crystal stones. So you get 9 stones in this collection. They are super classy. I think they will work with the pearls so well. First up, you get 3 just pure crystal stones. You get a 16mm Rivoli, 2 12mm Rivolis, and then in one of the prettiest colors in Krakovski Crystal selection, I think in the color Satin, you get 2 12mm cushion stones and 4 8mm chateaus. Krakovski stones are followed by Krakovski bicones, and you get a pack of 72 4mm bicones in white opal translucent AB. Translucent means that this is not a very opaque opal, so you can see a lot through those beads. There's a beautiful AB coating on them for that extra bit of sparkle and shine. And finally, we arrive at crystal pearls. So we get 3 full strands of Krakovski crystal pearls. The first one is iridescent misty green, and in real life it's a little bit brassy, it's a little bit green, it's a little bit gray. It has a lot of nuance to it. You get a strand of 135 of those. They're 3mm, and they are just so pretty. You really gotta see them in real life. I don't think we had them before, we carried them before, so I think they're brand new. And this color is just so classy. It's gonna go so well with the metallic galvanized pewter, with the whites as well, of course. So these are the 3mm pearls. Then the 4mm pearl is in a light gray, pretty universal, pretty versatile, and a neutral color, so you can match it with anything. And you get a strand of 100 of those. And finally, a real pop in this collection, these 6mm pearls in iridescent peacock. This is such a nuanced color. Like, it's mostly green, but it also has a lot of purple. I don't know how they do this. And I don't know if you'll be able to like see it on camera, but when you look at them right, they are kind of purple. So that's a really pretty color. They're 6mm, and you get a strand of 65. Finally, we have the findings section, and in this collection you get platinum plated findings. So it's a little bit of a warmer, I would say, silver, very neutral, very pretty, not too light, not too dark. And you get 2 types of clasps. You get a ball and socket clasp, which is one of my favorites. It's very convenient in bracelets. And you get a box clasp, which is so pretty. So to open it, this is what it looks like. It has a little hinge here, or more of a like a drawer. So you just kind of press it and then you take it out and then you put it in. It's got a click, and that's how you close it. It's a classic closure for pearl necklaces, the heavier ones, so that's why I thought this is very appropriate in this collection. I really like it, and how elegant this is. Then we have earring findings, also platinum plated. You get a pair of those really simple and elegant ear wires with little balls there. And then you get this pair, which is making me really happy for some reason. So this is also an ear wire. It's a little bit thicker. It's a little bit more substantial and elegant. And look at that. It has tiny little pearls in there. Isn't that wonderful? And it's such good quality too. So pretty. I love these. So these are our findings for this collection. And so here it is. Here is the LITE collection for August 2026 called Pearlessence. It has a very extensive seed bead section, a really nice and classy crystal section, then a really beautiful pearl section. You get 3 strands of crystal pearls, and not just the classic boring white pearls that we always include in many collections during the year. You get 3 unique colors of pearls in 3 full strands. And then those findings that are just so unique as well. I really like this collection. It's kind of classy and elevated, but not in an obvious way, and I really love it. Let me know in the comments which product is a highlight for you in this collection. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell to not miss the projects that I make with this collection. And if you like it, you can get it and individual products from it as well at eurekacrystalbeads.com. so go check them out. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!